Skyler's outfit of the day, ready to pick up Coco. Little jacket, little goldfish again. And some shoes again. Right, honey? Okay, boys. Glasses on. Guns up. Position ready.
Yeah.
Then fire! Come on, keep shooting, honey. Yeah, you've been knocked down your building. Come on, let's see who's the winner. Avery, you try, Avery. Come on, shoot, Avery.
I did it.
You have a few more, don't you?
No, big never knocked down. Where are you buying them from?
I bought them online.
That's so cool.
Here, Avery, you try, baby.
Cool.
Go's helping you, honey. Go's helping you. Go, you try, honey. You try. Go, shoot.
How?
You do it. 2 hands. 2 hands. You can do it. 2 hands. Good. Shoot. Boom. Is it too hard for you? Good job, hon.
Yay!
Avery's not strong enough to shoot with the gun, so he's doing it with his hands.
Avery, you can't break them. That's cheating.
Whoa, nice one.
One down.
1 down. Good job.
I'll help you. That's why he's not playing.
Try the other side, baby.
Me?
Yeah, try Avery's side.
Okay.
Don't shoot Avery. 2 hands. Yeah, 2 hands. You missed again.
I just beat it up.
Wow, you did it again. Good job, hon. Nice job. How do you feel?
Good.
You feel good?
It's kind of sweaty.
You're kind of sweaty, but you can take off your hoodie if you're sweaty.
I'll do it. But I'll be back.
He'll be back, guys. He'll be back.
Mommy.
Bam, got another one.
Mommy, I do ice. Oh, da, oh, da, oh, da. Oh, no, nice. Super bear. Super bear. Super bear. Super bear. Fire. Ah! Nice.
Dinner tonight, beef with asparagus and mushroom. Choy, yums, yums, yum. Skyler Bear's having dinner. This is his dinner. This is A's dinner. And
that's Pokey's dinner. But he's gonna eat mushrooms.
that's Pokey's dinner. Skyler told me to make a plate for his turtle. And he told me his turtle doesn't eat mushrooms, so his turtle's having steak, vegetable, and rice.